Hey everyone, I wanted to hop on here and do a review of this power strip that I just got in. So I'm getting ready to set this up and I wanted to show it to you. You have 4 of your 3-prong plugins, and then you also have some USB and USB-C. So really love that. This cord length is 6 feet long. So love how much length that you get with this. And I'm gonna be using this around my coffee bar. So one thing that I love about this is that it is fireproof, it's waterproof, it has an overheat protection as well. So if you have a lot of things plugged in and anything gets overheated, this isn't going to spark or anything like that. So lots of protection with this. And you've got so many plug options, and you'll notice all of the space in between. So some power strips, all of the plugins are really close together and you can't use them all. So I love that you've got this space in between each one. So I'll be able to plug in my coffee makers. I've got a little night light, and then I'm going to be using this for my phone chargers and my iPad chargers. So it's going to be perfect for the coffee bar. In case there's any spills or anything like that, I don't have to worry about it. All set up. I have 3 plugs that I'm using, and then I am also using a USB, and I still have a few more plugs that I'm able to use. So now I'm going to test the waterproof function. Spray bottle here. There is just water in here, so I'm going to go ahead and spritz this. All right, as you can see, no damage. Everything is still working. There is no sparking or flickering or anything like that. So I love that this will be safe if there's any spills or accidents that might happen.